going to do a demo today on inclines, declines, and some steps, and walking thing. I'm also going to produce some out in the yard in the grass here when I get back to the house this afternoon. We're going up inclines. This is that part about trusting your knee. And then if you're going to do it, you got to do a good fashion model. Now, if you're walking on a microprocessor, this is what I'm showing. If you're walking on a manual knee, it's a little different. But a microprocessor, you have to let that knee bend and ride it down. I'll show you. Not a problem. Now, I'm going up steps. I'll show you two varieties of that. You can do it the old one step up at a time. Or, if you want advantage, you can do it the old two-step at a time, which I've done. And if you've got like a GM, you can also do the step-over function, which, as I say, takes a few minutes. But, basically, that's it. And if you got any questions, just let me know. You'll have a good day.